Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link PayPal with Mpesa. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do now is just to go to the PayPal M-Pesa service or the linking service. And simply you will need just to go to this PayPal mobile money service. So first, make sure that you already have your PayPal account that is set up. And after that, we can see how we can get our PayPal mobile money service with M-Pesa. So we can simply go and click get started, and by here it will take us where you can log in with your PayPal. So basically this is how it works. You will be needing just to go and click get started, and from there you will be needing to start adding your PayPal information. You will add your M-Pesa mobile phone number that you have, your M-Pesa logged in, and simply we will be needing to wait for all uh, the verification step to finish, and from there you can start withdrawing money to your M-Pesa account. So we can simply start withdrawing and getting the money. So from here, let's just log in into the account so we can demonstrate that. And now let's just wait for the process to finish. And basically, you can connect your PayPal account to a money service with M-Pesa. And basically, to transfer this will allow this money service operated to transfer to your PayPal. And basically, either you can connect or you can simply go to you can simply go to your process, I mean your uh, help center, and then ask them to connect it directly without using such services. So whatever you like, you can simply go to the support and simply ask them to uh, connect your M-Pesa to PayPal, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.